Good morning. I am here in this villa, butterfly villa, of Mrs. Juliana, and anyone who volunteer can stay in this amazing place. And this is my morning. We are outside of Hikkaduwa, and as you can see, the sound of the nature, the good smell, and rooster. Let's go upstairs. Oh, how amazing the view from here. Wow. This is a good morning. Really beautiful. Woohoo. It's like jungle, huh? Look at how amazing. There is a pond there, I guess, with banana trees. This is like house very high. I love that. Oh, I would love to have a house like that. Let's start a new day. Today I'm going to the north, so then I'm going to visit something new. Like this, so I think I'm going to die when I arrive in Kandy, but that's fine. When I got on the bus, there was a incense burning that is very nice, and of course there is the Buddha. What is that? How do you call it? Okay. No, it's okay. That's very good. So we will discover later what is this. I think it's pan. I'm not sure. The place I'm staying with. Thank you so much. No, it's also okay here. Thank you so much. You have an amazing house, huh?
Thank you.
Full of statues and wow. Amazing. Ganesha. And this is my room. I love the mosquito net on the room. Wow. Toilet is also very nice. Pink. Good shower. And a nice window. We're all green outside. Yeah, so let's have tea. I'm super tired. I left this morning at 11, now it's mostly 4 o'clock. Yeah. So, the birds. Oh, let's have this nice Ceylon tea. Ceylon tea is always the best. So let's see, I want to go to visit this Tooth Relic temple in Kandy, and then tomorrow a new adventure begins. So, I am going to the special temple. Is the Tooth Relic of the Buddha. There is a lot of traffic here. I am in the city of Kandy, and yeah, but I can see over there is a beautiful sunset. So we are going to check it around. It's a little bit busy. It is a local bus. Wow, that's amazing. Excuse me, where is the Buddhist temple?
This corner.
Just here?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
1 million, 2 million, you up there.
Here?
1 million, 2
Uh,
million, you up.
I go up. Thanks. Trying to understand where is this temple. I'm a little bit late. So I guess it's here. Yeah. Should I go up now? The Buddhist temple. Here. I'm wrong then. Huh. Should I enter? I don't know if it's correct, if I can. I have to remove my shoes, by the way, at a certain point. Is it a puja? Let's check. The Temple of the Sacred Tooth Relic is a world-renowned place of worship where the left canine tooth of Gautama Buddha is enshrined. The Sacred Tooth Relic is being considered and worshipped as the living Lord Buddha. For this very reason, there are daily, weekly and annual pujas and rituals. The daily rituals are called teba or services, and there are 3 services: early morning service, midday service and evening service, the one I am attending right now. It also includes traditional sound offerings. The temple was named as a World Heritage by UNESCO in 1988, and it is built in the city of Kandy near the ancient royal palace. The temple is adorned with intricate carvings using gold, silver, bronze and ivory. The architecture is of unique Kandyan architectural style, with a combination of the unique style used to build the Dalada Mandira, the shrines which house the Sacred Tooth Relic previously in other kingdoms. The city of Kandy is actually the final location of the Sacred Tooth Relic of Gautama Buddha. The Sacred Relic was brought to Sri Lanka by Princess Hemamala and Prince Danta from the city of Kalinga in ancient India in the year 310 AD. It became a symbol of Sri Lankan kings and was preciously guarded in a special shrine built inside the royal palace, wherever the capital was located. The statues of the Buddha often show a particular mudra or mudras, hand positions used in practice to evoke a particular state of mind. Hands folded in the lap means meditation. The back of the right hand rests on the palm of the other, with the tips of the thumbs lightly touching. The earth-touching mudra represents the moment of the Buddha's awakening as he claims the earth as the witness of his enlightenment. Karana Mudra is performed by raising the index and the little finger and folding the other fingers. It helps in reducing sickness or negative thoughts. Here also? I place it like that? Like this?
When you make a lamp,
Yeah.
so first you make to like we pray to the Buddha.
Okay.
This lamp, please take this light to the around the Buddha's area. So and then you can wish as this light. So give to your life, to the your life light.
So give light to my life also,
Yes.
and to all the other human beings.
Yes.
Okay.
So you can wish so.
Okay, thank you. Doesn't know anything because he's from Colombo, but he gave me a lift so that we are going to do the around the lake. I have a camera. YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah. All right. Okay, so basically, this is always that we have to have faith when we go around. This guy who is from Colombo, he actually didn't know the roads in Kandy, so he told me, anyway, come with me. And he left me here where I was supposed to go, to this lounge to have dinner. Can you believe? That is really destiny. Okay, sorry. Thank you. So the owner of my house, of my apartment, she suggested me to come to this place to have dinner. So let's see. So Daddy, hi. Is possible to have dinner?
No.
Do you mind I have a camera for YouTube?
No problem.
Okay, thanks. Hi. Outside is possible. All right.
No.
Yeah. Right. Oh, look at how beautiful. Okay. I can sit here? Yeah, that's perfect. All right, so let's try the food here. And also we have a guy who's singing. Well, yeah, that's interesting. Good. So waiting for the menu. All right. So for dinner, you have different things.
Yeah, we have both sides.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks.
Where are you from?
Italy.
Italy.
Yeah,
What is the capital city Italy?
Roma, Rome.
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 I have so many friends.
Really?
Rome, yeah.
Wow.
I have some friends Sicily.
Sicilia, okay, I come from the north, Turin, near Milan.
Milan.
You're the owner?
No.
No.
I'm the owner.
Okay, you're the manager?
I'm the manager.
Okay, good. Very good. I'm staying here in a homestay up here. Yes. So they told me to come here to have dinner.
They told you to come
I'm coming from the temple. Yeah.
Anyway, nice to meet you.
Okay, nice to meet you. Thanks. So I want to try the Italian spaghetti with the classic beef bolognese. Okay, Italian spaghetti with classic beef bolognese. I think it's not going to be like Italian, but when I am abroad, I always want to try the Italian food, how they prepare it. I asked him, but the beef is not spicy, right? So he went and asked. By the way, they have also a decent menu for wine. I don't drink, by the way. So, yeah, Italian wine, Freschello Rosso. Let's see what he says about the Italian spaghetti. Here are the guys of the place. So let's see what he's going to say. Yeah.
I talked already with chef.
Yeah.
Yeah, he told me he can make it. Then you mean you want no spice?
spice,
No
yeah.
spice. I can make it.
Okay, fine. Then I will take the bolognese
Yeah.
and a bottle of water.
Got it.
Thank you so much. Let's go and see this experiment. So I received my Italian pasta and let's try to see if it really is like Italian food. So here it is. Let's enjoy. So I always try my food when I'm abroad, you know. So let me just clean my hands first. And let's try this Italian pasta. How it's going to be. I can't believe it. It's like Italian pasta. Yeah, it really tastes like Italian pasta. And by the way, these spaghetti are al dente, which means they are not too cooked, they are not overcooked, so they're not too soft, because pasta should be al dente, not too soft. It's great. Wow. I'm glad I chose this. After like 2 months on the road eating only Indian food and Sri Lanka food, sometimes you have to treat yourself with your own food. Wow, amazing. Joy. So he is the chef.
He's the one who chef.
Okay, the Italian pasta was really great. Yeah, very good. It was like really Italian. Yeah, also with Parmesan cheese, and then it was al dente, so it was not too soft. Yes, so really great chef. Thank you.
Isabella.
Elisabetta.
Elizabeth.
Yeah, Elizabeth.
From Italy. Miss Elizabeth from Italy.
Yeah. Thank you so much. So definitely I had an amazing experience tonight. And yeah, so let's try to find the house now. I guess it's just near here. So listening to some music and eating Italian food. So yeah, but now let's go back to the Sri Lanka life. Good night, and tomorrow is new adventure.